Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are actually down south again in Nara, close kind of to Osaka for the U-Haul round, which is round 3 of Japan Rally. Today our main focus is going to be, of course, the Morizo Challenge Cup competitors, but specifically a female driver by the name of Kanematsu-san. We're going to be catching up with her throughout this video, seeing how she's going this round. But overall, the weather isn't looking that great. The carnage is pretty surreal, a lot of damaged cars coming in, but I'm excited to see how everything goes for this round.
This round of the Morizo Challenge Cup proved especially demanding. Heavy rain soaked the course, making the narrow roads even more treacherous. Drivers had to navigate with extreme precision. At the service area, damaged cars told the story. Broken parts, bent suspension, and inside the pits, teams worked methodically, racing against the clock to prepare for the next stage.
It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. That car came in with a missing front bumper, damaged radiator, the rear wheel was cracked and destroyed, tons of broken arms, and now it's driving out and still being able to compete. Incredible.
Meet Kanematsu-san, a rising talent in the Morizo Challenge Cup series. Young, fearless, and carving her path in a demanding sport.
I'm here with one of the female drivers competing in the Morizo Challenge Cup. This is Kanematsu-san, and we're going to see how she's doing this round. どうですか、今のなんていうのコンディションとか。
この車今日初めてラリーに出るんですよ。新車で今回ようやく完成したもので、前回まではマニュアルで出てて、これ PST なので、ちょっと車の乗り方が大きく変わったのと、ちょっと新しくできたばかりの車なので、かなり慎重に走りました。なんでちょっとタイム的には下の方にいるんですけど、まだまだできると思ってるので、午後でペース上げて。
このラウンドでちょっとなんていうのコンディションちょっと悪いですけど楽しいですか？
めちゃくちゃ楽しいですね。なんか思った以上に車の安定感があって、道、雨も強いのにあんまりこうアクセル踏むのに恐怖心もなく踏んでいけるので、なんか車がすごいよくできてます。
よかったです。じゃあ頑張ってください。
ありがとうございます。
頑張って。いらっしゃい。いらっしゃい。I'm here with Otake, and I figured we'd touch base because he's kind of like leading everyone in the Morizo Challenge Cup. How's the condition today?
Quite tricky.
Quite tricky?
Yes. Some rain and mud, moss.
Mud?
Moss.
Do you like the mud?
No.
No? Makes you hard?
With gravel tire, it's okay.
With gravel tire? Okay.
Carbon tire, it's quite tricky.
Quite tricky?
Yeah.
You feeling confident out there though?
Yes, it's quite okay. We are controlling the pace. We are not off.
Yeah. Number one.
That's great.
We'll see how he goes tomorrow.
Yes.
Looking forward to seeing you out there, man.
Thank you.
Now that the rain has stopped, all the stalls and like the display booths are starting to set back up. And check this out, they have a full go-karting section set up for kids to try and see what they can do, what times they can put down. There's a ton of things here for obviously catering towards the younger generation here in Japan, making sure they're getting wrapped around motorsports and getting excited about it. In fact, Toyota's even arranged a little bit of a dance performance from a bunch of dance schools, and they're performing here. While we're waiting for tomorrow, I figured what we'd do is check out what Nara has to offer. It's a really big tourist place, but it's really famous for mainly 2 things, ramen and deer. Not together though. Let's go get some ramen. This place is pretty unique. There's a K-truck hanging out of the building. What more do you want? This is massive. iPhone Pro Max for comparison. Does it taste good though? Oh, that's good. That's really good. Look at this. Yeah. This This is my first time at Nara Park. Nara Park is really famous for deer. They're everywhere around and they are like super chill. Obviously they're quite domesticated, I guess, and you can buy food and stuff and feed them, but it's just kind of a really good experience. There's obviously a bunch of do's and don'ts, so do all your research before you visit here. Stop. Yep. Is he gonna headbutt me? How you doing? Konnichiwa. 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 I don't have any food, I'm sorry.
That's bad. He just wants an autograph.
Dude, he's hungry. Hey, buddy. Okay. Hi. Sit. Konnichiwa. Sashiburi desu. Okay, here you go, buddy. Oh, yeah. You like that? You happy now? You're fed? Yeah? I shall call him Bambi.
Welcome to Nara, Japan's first permanent capital. Founded over 1300 years ago, it's home to ancient temples, sacred shrines, and yes, those famously friendly deer. But today, the old streets come alive in a new way as rally cars zip through this historic city.
It's now the next day and we're at Meihan Sportsland, which is kind of wild because usually we'd come here for drifting, but we're here for the rally. So let's see how everyone fares today and what kind of course they've got set up. I'm really interested. I think this is going to be great. So cool. The JN1 cars have arrived. I've always wanted to have a quick little squiz under the hood of these. So sick. Of course, electronic throttle body, all the anti-lag these guys use. Sounds so good. I love how aggressive that aero looks. The Advan car, so cool. The fans are all about it.
Meet Kamada-san. I actually had no idea who this was at first, until he came up and told me that he tandems with me at Drift Matsuri at Ebisu Circuit. It was super cool to meet someone that is into the rally scene, but also enjoys drifting. It really shows that drifting is somehow related to rally more than I initially thought.
I didn't even know this. I've been drifting with him at like Drift Matsuris and didn't even know.
Oh, really?
Like together tandeming and practicing drifting. It turns out he's a JN1 rally driver here in the Japan Rally Series.
So random.
So random and cool. I love the little e-brake pull. Here we go. Some of the Motorizou Challenge Cup guys are here. Otake is here. Otake! Ganbare! Yeah! 今日はどうですか?
今日は1本目でだいぶ負けちゃったんですけど、なんとか守りたいと思います。
じゃあ最後のセクター頑張ってください。はい。I know I've already said this, but it's so cool seeing these guys drive C-Course. Just looking at the current placement, it looks like Otake is in first place, Inoba in second, and Shusei in third. Zeal's coming in fourth. Ooh, we'll see what she can put down. In the last sector overall, she was in 10th place by the looks of it. So if she can make up a bit of time, she'll get in a nice position. But like she said, she made a little bit of a mistake today, so hopefully it doesn't cost her too much. We're currently driving to the finish of the rally, where the finish line will be, the red carpet and all that kind of stuff, and the podium. This is what's kind of fun about doing these rally weekends, is you're driving from location to location all within the area, and you just get to see so much of the local city, get to do the tourism stuff, get to see some cool cars all in one event or one weekend. It's great, and it's kind of nice getting to drive around and check everything out. Also, the scenery in Japan is amazing. Perfect example. I don't know if the camera will do justice, but the mountains, the cities, everything is so good. We're back at the main service area now, and one thing I want to really point out is you can see that the building structures in this city are actually quite different to what you see all around Japan. That's because there's a very heavy kind of Chinese architecture influence here, because this city is actually a very religious city. I definitely recommend doing a bit of research about it because it's quite interesting, the history, but the city's called Tenri, which is spelled Tenri. I wanted to check out some of these other competitors here. Look at these old school Porsches. So cool. Man. And this one, he's let a bunch of kids draw on it. Oh wow, look at all the stickers he's just stuck on there from every single series. So cool. Every time I come to one of these rounds, I'm still always impressed with just how well the mechanics are organized. It's kind of mind-blowing. All the attention to detail, how all their tools are packed in their briefcases. They use briefcases and everything's sorted, labeled. I don't know if you can see there, you can kind of maybe zoom in. But how their tools are kept is just crazy cool. Very organized. I do want to note as well that the difference in weather today compared to yesterday is wild. It is about 28 degrees today, Celsius. It's pretty warm, a lot of humidity, nice and sunny, and yesterday was freezing cold and torrential downpours. Bro, her car is automatic. That's wild. Yeah, auto too. So this is Zeal's run on Sector 7 today from Mount Chayusu, I think is how it's pronounced. And this looks so narrow. It looks like so much fun. I wish we got to go and drive this. Man, I don't know what to do. I just want to drive rally now. And this is the end of it here. Oh, they cut the audio, dang it. So cool. Look how long it is though. This sector's massive. Oh, other drivers now.
The more I come to these rounds, the more I get to know the drivers. Not just their names, but their stories. You start to realize we're all here for the same reason. It's not just competition. It's the love of motorsport that brings us together round after round.
It's time for the podium. Everybody's all dressed
続きま
up.
して第2位 WRJ 大竹直選手、橋本美咲選手、おめでとうございます。
Good job, Otake. Killed it again. First place.
全員からコメントを頂戴したいということでございますので、
前のイベントまでと違う DAT の新車を初めて投入ということで、車になれるのを結構頑張ってペースはなかなか上げられなかったんですけど、今回もこの賞をいただけてホッとしてます。ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。それではトロフィーの授与でございます。
And just like that is the end of round 1 all the way here in Nara. It was a really fun time. I think this was probably one of my favorite rounds yet. There was so much to do in the area, and then also watching people rally or just driving on C course that's normally a crazy drifting course was kind of mind-blowing for me. I had a really good time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments, what do you like about this? Is there anything else you want to see more of the behind the scenes stuff? Obviously working with Toyota on these videos, and I think it would be really, really cool to get more of you guys involved and see what you really want to see and what we can make happen, I guess. But anyways, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get back to Tokyo. Dude, he's hungry. Hey, buddy.